Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Donovan, and today I want to talk about this device right over here. This is the Xiaomi Mi 8, and we're not going to be talking about this device specifically in this video, but instead we're going to be talking about some of the accessories that you see right over here for the Mi 8. Now, before we get into the accessories, I did want to mention real quick that you can pick this up right now for $460 from GearBest.com. So that comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of onboard storage. That is the global edition, so I'll link it down below. And you can see it's available in a few different colors. So black is the version that's $460. I believe if I change the color, it will change the price. Let's go ahead and check that out. So it does change the price. So if you want to get it for $460, you're going to have to get the black version. You can see that I actually have the rose gold version, or the gold version, because that was the one that was available for $460 at the time that I picked it up. So anyways, the black version, $460, fantastic deal for what I think has been a very good device. One other thing I want to mention here is the fact that if you do get the global version of the phone, you can see here that I am using it on Verizon Wireless, and I do get LTE. So it's worked perfectly over the last couple of weeks, and you've probably noticed, even though I've had the device for a couple of weeks, I haven't put out any videos for it, and that's because we actually have a new addition in our household, so I've been kind of preoccupied with that lately. So anyways, let's go ahead now and talk about these accessories. So it does come with a TPU case. So this is a thin, clear TPU case that you get in the box with the phone. So I'm going to set that off to the side, and we're going to test out a couple of screen protectors, and then also this thicker case from Spigen. This is the Rugged Armor case. And let me go ahead and set that off to the side. We're going to go ahead and open up the box for the Spigen. And the reason I picked this one up is because it's just a little bit thicker than what you get out of the box with the Mi 8. So you can see this one's a very thin one, super flimsy. I'm not going to provide a whole lot of protection. Now this is actually made out of the exact same material. The difference is it's a thicker TPU case. So that was really what I was looking for, was something just a little bit thicker than what they offer. And this is exactly what I wanted. So you can see it kind of has that carbon fiber look up at the top and the bottom, then also has a nice kind of like, I don't know, lead into the fingerprint sensor, which I really like. Also protects the camera a whole lot better than what you're going to get here. So this one's very thin, barely protects the camera. This one's going to give you a little bit more added protection for the cameras on the back. Also has nice protrusions for the volume rocker and the power button, so it makes those really easy to find. And of course, all of the openings are in the right places. So really like this case. This is definitely the one I will be rocking with the phone from here on out. Now, I have been using a tempered glass screen protector with the phone the whole time I have had it. I didn't put out a video for this one because honestly, it's not one I would recommend. This is from a company called Zero, so that's what I've been using up to this point. This is one of those full screen protection tempered glass screen protectors. But one thing I don't like about it, and now let's see if you can, number one, you can see all the fingerprints on there. But when you have the phone on, there's actually a little bit of a watermark right there, and it kind of distorts the picture just a little bit. So there's really a lot of things I don't like about this one. So it has that dot matrix in it, and yeah, just a lot of things I haven't really liked about it. So this one's one of those all that kind of glues along the sides or the edges of the phone, and it works, but definitely not my cup of tea for this device. So I'm going to try this one out. So this is from Avidet. We're going to see how it works out. So it looks like I need to slide this thing off. And hopefully this one's a little bit better. If not, I might go back to the other one just because it works. I just don't love it. So this one is also a full screen protector. The only difference is this one actually has, or one thing I really like about this one is that this one basically adheres to the whole phone rather than just adhering to the edges like this one does. So this is just stickier on the edges, whereas this one is going to adhere across the entire phone. So we'll go ahead and do our duty here with the installation tools. So it comes with all these installation tools, alcohol pad, dust removal or dust absorbing stickers, and then also the microfiber cloth. So we'll go ahead and do that and test it out, see how it looks, and we'll come back and I'll show you at the end of the video how it works out with my new Spigen case that I got as well. All right, so I have the screen protector from Avidet installed now, and I really like this one. I definitely like it a whole lot more than this one from Zero that only sticks on the edges. This one, of course, adheres to the entire screen of the phone. You can see all the openings there for all of our sensors up here at the top in the camera. And then it does come down here to the bottom as well. And it fits really, really well. So I'm going to go ahead and test it out with my Spigen case. Now the Spigen case does overlap over the screen a little bit, so that could be an issue with this one. But it seems to work okay with this phone or with this screen protector. So this is definitely a combination I can recommend. So this is the Spigen Rugged Armor case, and fits very nicely on the phone. Also with the Avidet screen protector, it looks like it doesn't have any issues down here on the bottom corners. I might have some issues with it popping up on the top. You can see it kind of rubs there, but it doesn't seem like it's going to have any issues up to this point. But anyways, quick look at the screen protector from Avidet, and then also the Spigen Rugged Armor. Now, if you're interested in any of these products that I've listed in the video, go ahead and check them out in the links down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.